Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. Check me out, as you know, on Twitter, Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing Twitter. I don't promote this that much. We've had a Telegram for months, but I'm never on it. I never promote it, but Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing Twitter. I do live feeds. We just did a live feed earlier. I don't know how it works. So when you guys, yes, you, my subscribers, we do a test one day this weekend. You all go on there. And subscribe to Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing Twitter, or Twitter, and Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing Telegram that we never promote, but we've had since the first post was done way back, May 9th. So I started it way back then, posted 2 things, and that was it. But we'll get a bunch of you on here with the classic logo company made by Vincenzo of the FBI Waco style, burning it down with the little Illuminati-controlled Freemason corporate criminal gangster cartel of the Ohio State University, with a nice frozen snow-capped mountain river, along with our Lord Jesus down at the bottom with the gold bar, and a beautiful industry-exclusive, phenomenally stunning logo from Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, right? Look for that on Telegram. Join me on Twitter. Facebook, yes, we are on Facebook at Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing Facebook group. Don't really promote there. I just pay advertisement for my other stations to try to get new audience members. But join me there. But real quick, we got a big price drop down in the Bitcoin. And we're going to start with Bitcoin, because we've been telling you, actually all these coins are the same. So we've been telling you, if you were paying attention, that after this big crash the other day and it came up, we said usually it's got to roll back over and double bottom, and we haven't done that yet. Now we just had our first leg down. Now what you could do is bounce back up and form this little triangle that we talked about the other day, and then drop to the next level, right? Then you would have a nice buy opportunity back to there. And what you could be forming is something like this, a big falling wedge, right? See that? It's a big falling, not a wedge, a big falling channel, right, after that crash. And so if we do our industry exclusive price predicting forecast tool down here, our patterns, see that? We'll use one that's got about 5, and then you could do something like this, and then come back up here, and then come back down there, and then come back up here, and then come back down to right there. See how that could work? We could be doing something like that very simply in Doge, and then you double bottom back here at the 21.5 level, right where that nice arrow is. You see our industry, I love these arrows. You guys like these arrows? I like them. Then you could come down here, could be a buying opportunity, and then you would come up there, trying to fuck around with this Coinbase bullshit, but you see the picture. Coinbase wants to be a cunt. And then they all have to line right back up next to each other. But you can kind of see what's going on there, right? And you could be placed something like that, buy, sell, buy, sell. We could be forming a nice channel like that. But if we get a flash crash down to 21 cents today, that would be a buy. If we move along on to XLM, it's forming the same thing. We showed you how you could pump up, which you obviously didn't do. You came down to the more plausible, probable target that we were talking about, because you got a double bottom down there, but you could try to cut support on that 30-cent level, right? So we're going to pay attention to that. And then if we go to low, we told you to take profit the last couple of days up here, right down. We told you on those big daily wicks when we're up 30-40% each day for a combined pre-pump to up here was a 63% pump in a couple of days, but overall the pump was much greater. The pump started back down here, and you went up at the peak of this way up there 275%. And again, I warned you to take profit up there, just like I told you to take profit up there, but nobody listened because you guys all thought it was going up there. And I told you no, and you asked how sure I was, just like Quant, and I said I'm sure Quant will come down just like this, and you can see it went down 66.69% from the top, and it's currently down 55.69%, right? And that's going to continue to trade down now because the blow off top, but in a very violent fashion. Another one I told you to take profit on was Algo. The pump might not be over, but we showed you what could be forming here was a head and shoulders topping reversal pattern. And the first leg of the head and shoulders topping reversal pattern was right here with the left shoulder, the head, and then the right shoulder that formed into the future. And then your targeted move would be from the top to the neckline, which turns out to be this yellow underneath support to the point of the breakout, and that brings you back down there to our target at the $1.24, right? See how easy that works? That's supposed to be back there, right? Super simple and easy, and that's what we think we're doing here. And that's why, again, in Algo, back in these 2 wicks the last 2 days, we told you to sell, right? We said to take profit because that was a phenomenal pump and nobody listened, and now the lawsuits are impending. You're panicking. You're in and out. You don't know what's going on. You're watching your gangs vanish before your eyes before you could even realize them and enjoy them, right? They're just boom, gone, bam. You know, we tried to warn you, but nobody listened. What else do we got down at the bottom of here? The FTM my man wanted. We showed you buy areas because we thought this was going to come back down with our industry exclusive purchasing tool. We were right here testing this upper resistance, and we said this wasn't a good buy opportunity. We could be going for a fabulous glowing all jabroni enticing double top and then come down, but we said we were in a rising channel. We went over the reasons to show you the support and the confirm it. Then we said a bounce, a buy opportunity to be down here at the $1.30 level when it retests. Well, when it retested, it's uptrending into the future, so it would be right there, and it's trying to bounce off that. And we said that would be a better buy spot than anywhere up here. And so if you were paying attention to that, my lovely, beautiful subscriber that supported the channel and a coin request, links are below, the link in the description, right? We said that'd be a better buy opportunity. But if you break that, the targeted move is much, much farther down at the bottom of the wedge at 57 cents. But this could be a big head and shoulders topping reversal pattern, and you could spike up and do something like that. And then you have a neckline down there, and then a targeted move would be something like this. And then you'd pull it to the point of the breakdown, and that would bring you right to one of the moving averages, probably the 200 and the 4 hour. Yeah, pretty damn close. It'd be the 3 hour time frame. See that, the 200 day, and that could be the pattern that you're in. The classic, seldom seen, but often appreciated, well telegraphed jabroni triple top, right? Get that nice triple crown top, and then you crash. It's called the jabroni crown top reversal pattern, right? The 3 crown top jabroni reversal pattern, and that's what could be going on in the FTM. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing. Peace and love. Peace and love. Once again, after the 20th of October, all fan mail will be tossed. I just have too much to do. Once again, after the 20th of October, all fan mail will be tossed. I say that again with peace and love. Peace and love.